In this short tutorial I will show you how to start flying in order for Warcraft of the Lich King as a core character, how to get the Wind Rider, what level do you need in order to fly, we'll talk about the costs and also where to find the riding trainers in Outland and also in Northrend. To start flying you will need level 58 and you will have to head over Outland. We are located right here on the map in Hellfire Peninsula, in Outland as I told you, and here you'll find the riding trainer, which is this troll. Let's speak with him. So you will need expert riding, which costs 200 gold and you need level 60 as I told you. Now once you learn this you'll also need to buy the Wind Rider. If you'll speak with this Dalaran, the cost for the Wind Rider itself it's about 47 gold and you can choose any color which you'd like. But all this will not help you fly in Northrend, only in the Outland. Now I'll show you where to find the riding trainer in Azeroth and Northrend. To be able to fly in Northrend, you will have to head in Dalaran City, and as a quick tip, you can get here very easily if you ask a mage to create your portal. This is the location on the map in Krasus Landing in Dalaran City, right here in Northrend. Once you get here, you'll have to speak with this blood elf and she will sell you this tome of cold weather flying for a cost of 1000 gold and you need level 68. If you buy and learn this one, you'll be able to fly in Northrend. This doesn't include the Artisan Riding and also the cold weather flying, which will help you to fly faster in Northrend. Just to fly in Northrend you will need this tome. But purchasing the 5000 gold will not be enough to fly faster, because you'll also have to buy it, and you can buy it from this Dalaran, and the cost is about 85 gold and it will be unlocked after you learn the fast flying. The location on the map is Warcraft Hold right here in Borean Tundra in Northrend. Thank you a lot for watching and bye bye.